Once again, very good morning to you, ladies and gentlemen, from the beach in Dehiwala, Sri Lanka. Yesterday, I did the walk for 45 minutes, but it started raining, so I couldn't continue do the clip. Today also it's rained in the morning, but I managed to complete 45 minutes of my walk by God's grace. Ladies and gentlemen, in our life journey, one of the unique human qualities and features that we have is ability to doubt. There is no other species in this planet Earth or in the universe have this feature. Because they function in a very perfect and a very synchronized, very harmonized process, the whole universe. You need not doubt about the sun rising or the full moon or any of the operations of the universe. It will happen. So is everything that is in the creation happens so perfectly until the man has messed up and created havoc and blunders and errors. As a result of that, we have various challenges in the planet Earth. Whilst doubting is an important feature, I learned this way back almost 40 years ago when I started working in a global financial institution which started operation in Sri Lanka and worked under a Japanese managing director, which taught me in giving financial services to the clients and the customers, particularly credit. When in doubt, don't. And he said, when in doubt, immediately pause. Remember, there are certain things that you need to do now. Revalidate the whole process. Reevaluate and restart from the beginning. And that perfectly worked for me. Thereafter, when I joined one of the great banking institutions in Sri Lanka and worked for nearly 24 years. Not only that, but in my life journey, this worked very well for me. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are going to doubt everyone and everything surrounding you, around you, you are not going to progress in your journey very successfully. There will be chaos, confusions, and you stumble across many things when you begin to doubt everybody around you and everything around you. We need to learn the art and the science tactfully and factfully, trusting and believing people and things around you. And that's not an easy thing. That need a certain skill to develop within yourself, and over a period of time you will perfect it. I would say again, you need to learn the art and the science of tactfully and factfully trust and believe people in your journey, because it is the people that you need to collaborate, partner and work along, not with trees, insects, animals, but human individuals. Whether it's your husband, whether it's your wife, whether it's your children, whether it's your parents, whether it's your boss, whether it's your subordinates, whoever it is. If you need to progress in life, you need to understand the people whom you can see eye to eye. And that involves not blindly believing and trusting. Generally, most of the women doubt everything. Most of the men believe everything. That should not be the case. That's where I have learned this. If you want to trust somebody, if you want to believe somebody, you should not do so by hearsay or some sort of a understanding on the short term. But absolutely essential that you develop the skill of artistically, scientifically, to believe, trust people, factfully, tactfully. Then you can progress in life journey using the doubt to your advantage and using it as a proactive mechanism in your journey, not reactive mechanism to impede negative initiatives in your life journey.